Alright, I'm going to show here real quick how I mark the holes around the outside of the thing for measuring. I just take and wrap some tape around to the itself there. That gives me the outside dimension. Stick it down to the desk here. Get a tape measure out, put my glasses on. And I'm running right at 15 inches, so if I go, I should have done my math before I started. Every inch and a half, say 3, 4.5, 6, 7.5, 9, 12, 13.5. Puts it right out at 15. I had a little bit of trouble seeing it before, so on the blue tape, but the blue tape works best to peel it back off easy. And then the seam of the tape will be another hole. And just eyeball it. Since this isn't rocket science, I'm not that concerned. And there I have my marks all the way around, evenly spaced, and then I'll set the depth. When I set the stop on, I'll do it on the drill press. So I'll go ahead and do around the top and then around the bottom of the big one. The big one will be a little bit different spacing. So let me do this and then I'll do it again. Alright, how's it going? We're going to try this again. I put the tape on the upper one. I did a spacing of about 1 inch on the top. I'll do smaller holes on the top. On the bottom they're about 1.5 inches. I'll see how those come out. Do the smaller holes on, or lower holes on the bigger can. So again, just take the tape, give you the exact size. This one I think came out to right at 19 inches. Yep, right at 19 inches. I'm not going to do that all on the video right now. I'll mark it out, do that. Do the same thing as this original. I've already got the holes drilled for the knobs that came off the lids, so I didn't have to buy any other parts except for I found some old covers for computers and used it to cut the metal out, and it's a fairly thick gauge metal, so it should hold up real good. Now, I didn't see real close on BC's thing on where he put the screws. I didn't put them into that. I left them just inside so it centers up the ring and then doesn't move or shift. I won't go in with the tape, but nice tight fit, won't move. Got some paint on it. I'm going to sand it off before I finish it up. And that, so we'll do that one. I'll get this marked and everything, and then the next one will be drilling all the holes. So thank you a lot.